Hello guys, welcome to Angular series. In this tutorial I will show you how to create Angular component. Are you ready? Let's get started. We learned what is Angular and how to create Angular component and to create Angular project and how to run Angular project. And in this tutorial I will show you how to create component in Angular by using this command ng and generate component and the name of the component, okay. It's very simple. Let's create. Open your Visual Studio Code. This is my last project which I created, and open your terminal here. Okay, by using this command we can create component ng g or generate. Okay, ng generate component and the name of the component, for example home. Enter. As you can see, it's created home component dot css, which is our style sheet, home component dot html, and home component dot spec.ts, which is a testing file, and home component.ts, which is our component, our TypeScript file. Okay, it will be created normally under the app folder, as you can see. Okay, this is our component, and now we can use this component inside our app component. Let's see how to use this component inside our app. And open the TypeScript file. Here we have selector. By using this selector we can use the component app dash home. Okay, open your app component dot html, and here we can use like this, app slash home. That's how you can use the component inside another component, and the component which you create it will be added inside our app module. As you can see here, app inside our app.module.ts, it will be added, home component. And yeah, let's see if we can see our app home inside our app component. Let's run the project. ng serve and let's open our browser, a local host. As you can see, home works. We use our home component inside our app component.html, as you can see, and we can reuse this component as many times as you want. Just Ctrl C. This is the advantages of component. Create once and use it as many times as you want. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, home works. That's it, guys. I hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that.